How to get wet carrot in Grow Garden on Roblox. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So in order to obtain a wet carrot in Roblox Grow Garden for the Hungry Plant quest, you will need to follow specific steps, as this item is essential for progressing through the quest. So how you can get the wet carrot? You need to wait for the rain. So wet carrots are produced when it rains in the game, so plant carrots during the rain. As soon as it starts raining, begin planting the carrot seeds, and timing is really crucial. Planting during the rain increases the chance of carrots becoming wet, so harvest after the rain. Once the rain stops, harvest your carrots and check your inventory. Any are labeled as wet carrot. Also remember to plant in open areas. Ensure that you're planting carrots in open spaces, not under the trees or structures, as obstructions can prevent rain from reaching the plants. Also monitor the growth. Carrots grow quickly, so planting them during the rainy season during the rain increases the likelihood that they will absorb the water and become wet before fully maturing. And also be persistent. The appearance of the wet carrots can be somewhat random, so if you don't get one on your first try, keep planting during the subsequent rainfalls. And why exactly you need a wet carrot? In the Hungry Plant quest, the Angry Plant requires various specific produce items, including wet carrots. Feeding the plant the correct items allows you to progress through the quest and earn rewards like premium seed packs. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.